Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be studying combine tool. Okay, let's just create some shape first. 20, make it 20. Click on this and select a sketch. Select this point and make a bigger circle. Now go to extrude again and downward. Make sure that you don't select this one. If you select this one, it would mean that they both will act as a singular body, so don't select merge result. Okay, now in solid bodies you can see that these two are now different bodies. This one and this one is now two different bodies. So what will you do? You'll need to combine them. Okay, to combine them to work as a singular body. Okay, now go to your insert features and there is combine. Okay, in combine I have three operations. One is a add, the other one is subtract, and the other one is a common. Okay, first we'll see add these two and now. Okay, they both will act as a singular body. Okay, click on this. Now you can check it here, and these both are now combined. Okay, Control Z and undo that, and again go to insert feature. If you don't have this combine command in this tab, you will check it from here. Okay, go to combine again and now click subtract. Okay, I want, this is my man body, and I want this piece to be removed or to be subtracted from that man body. Okay, shop preview. So it is now removed, and this is my result. Okay, and it will act as a combine, and that body is subtracted from my whole complete body. Okay, that was my man body, and the circle was my part that I wanted to subtract. Okay, Control Z again. Now go to insert and features and combine. Okay, now common. Okay, so what just happened, that it will only keep that part that is combined part of these both bodies they are intersecting. So this part is combined. It means that it is a part of this shape and this shape. This both is a part of this both shapes, so it will keep only this one. So this is how the combine tool is working. Now we'll see at some other examples of this. Okay, just edit this existing sketch. Okay, and delete this one and this one also. Okay, center line, and I want to draw this and another one. Here, spline, one over there, and select line, sure that the shape is closed. Okay, now I want this shape to rotate around this line. Okay, sketch, and I want a circle around this, and now I will extrude it like 50. No, 50 is too small. 200 will be okay. 200 is small, man. And draft 60 and draft outward. This is my end result, man. I think I had don't merge the result. Okay, now you can see these both are now different bodies, two different bodies. Okay, now what will I do? For example, if I create shell command here, and thickness is 2 millimeters. Here is a shell. Now this shell command only applies to the upper portion, but not to the lower one. You can check it from here. It is up to this surface. Okay, so shell command is not applied to the lower surface. It is not acting as a you will tackle some sort of this sort of shapes and geometries in which you will need to your body to work as a singular body, but you will not be able to create them it as a singular body. It will not act as a singular body. Okay, so how will you do this? Now delete this shell command, and now I will again go to insert, and I will select the features and a combine, and I want this and this. Oh, not common, because there is not I had selected a common, so there is nothing common because these both are just touching each other and not intersecting each other. So if it is not intersecting, it will not create a common. Okay, now combine them. You can see here it's combined singular body. Okay, here. Now go to shell and here. Okay, this shell. Okay, they both are now a combined object. Okay, now so this was all about shell combine tool, that how it works, combine, add and subtract tool. I hope you would like it. Please like it, share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.